Hello everybody, welcome. Now then, I'm just going to do something nice and simple today. I'm going to be doing a sausage meat burger, cheese, barbecue sauce and some wedges. Simple, hopefully going to be delicious. Let me show you what we got. Right then, I couldn't get any sausage meat. I don't know where to get it from. I didn't want the frozen one, I wanted the normal one. Didn't have any at Tesco's, and Aldi don't do it, I'm sure they don't. So I just got some sausages. I'm going to take the skin off them, and I'm going to use the meat out of them. And they're going to go with some oregano to mix together, and some barbecue sauce. That's going towards the end, and some cheese. And on my potato, I got some coleslaw as well. I was going to make my own, but I thought that's only what 80-90p. I thought, save messing around, I'll get some of that. I've got some wonky spuds. I'm going to turn them into wedges. But with them, I thought, I've got my guggachuan, which is lovely, that is. So I'm going to be using that again. I'm going to use some of that with some soy sauce, with a bit of brown sugar. I'm going to turn it into, so I can baste the wedges with it and see what it comes out with. I don't know whether it's going to be royal or what, but I'm going to find out. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wedge all them up like so. I'm just going to put them in some water now. I'm going to get a bit of starch off them. So I'm going to give them a run under the tap. Right, they had a rinse. I'm just going to get myself some kitchen paper now. Kitchen towel, whatever it is. I just want to give them a pat dry. So I'll get all them on. Right, they've had a pat dry, which is good enough for me. I'm going to get all these prepared first. I'm going to get a tray out. I'll put some lining paper in the bottom of it just so it catches all the stuff. So I don't know how many I'm going to get in here, but we'll see. Right, that's what I got in. I got some more left, so I'll probably do 2 batches. Now I want a bowl. All over the place today, I am. All over the place. Guggachuan, whatever it's called. I'm going to have I want a teaspoon of this. A tablespoon of this. So I'm going to, there's 2 of these. I want a tablespoon of that. Soy sauce. I want half a tablespoon of this. Get that in. I want some brown sugar. Get another spoon. I want a teaspoon of brown sugar. And I want just a little bit of oil just to mix it. Take that out. Just a drop, there we go, that'll do. Now I'm going to mix that. So I don't know what this is going to be like, but we'll find out. Done. Bit of salt and pepper on there. And then we're just going to put it all over the wedges. So I don't know what it's going to be like, but we're going to find out. Right, that's one side, flip them over. So I'm not going to parboil them or anything. Just going to do it in the air fryer, should be okay. Right, they're done. They look quite nice, don't they? Spread them out a bit more. Smell lovely. So now for the sausage. Get it opened up. Take all the skin off. You know how to take skin off sausage, don't you? Just thread it through like that. Take the bit off. And pull it. just get it in a bowl. I'll do all of them like so, all done. I want a bit of pepper in there. I mean, all them 8 sausages, I think £1.45. And oregano, get that in, and we want to mash it all up then. Let's get it all mashed up. Like so, like a big ball. And now, just make it into patties then. That's all. There's only 3 of us having this, so like that I made 3. Could have made smaller ones, but there's only 3 of us, so I've used it all to make 3 big ones. I'm going to put them in the fridge for about 15 minutes, just to harden up a little bit. Right, I've got the air fryer on, preheating. I've put it on 20 minutes, I don't know how long these are going to take. So I'm going to get them in the middle of the shelf there, on that one. I'm just going to put a tray underneath to stop all the, just makes it easier for me to clean. So I've got it on 200 degrees, 20 minutes on air fry, and we'll see what happens. And in the meantime, we'll get the burgers cooked. Right then, I'm going to put a bit of oil in there. I've got the pan heating up, it's quite hot now. And put a bit of oil on the bottom. And we'll get the burgers in. I don't know if I told you, this is an a low fresh burger. This is their recipe for a sausage burger. I don't know if I told you that at the beginning. So I'm going to stick them in. Without burning my fingers. And turn them every 2 or 3 minutes. Give them a bit of a spatula down. Got it on a medium heat. Right, I'm going to flip them over now. Been a couple of minutes. See what they're like. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, looking nice, look at them. Flatten them sides down a bit. And keep doing that every couple of minutes. Right, I'm going to turn them again. It's smelling delicious. Oh yes. Right there, done. Now this is the bit I'm concerned about. It says, let me spread them out a bit first. Turn the heat off. Get your cheese on. And then get your barbecue. Pour it in the pan. Then put a lid on. About 5 minutes. Then I'll get the lid on there. Or foil. I'll put some foil on it, I think. And let it melt. And we'll see. Right, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes now. I'm going to have a look. Oh, it's all melted nice, isn't it, that? Oh, yes. The cheese is looking nice. Can't see the point in that barbie though, somehow. In the barbecue. But let's get them out. Oh, this do smell delicious. Probably the barbecue melts in the bottom, I suppose. I don't know. Smells nice. I know that much. There they are. Look at them, looking nice. It's hot, that is. Show you again. There you go, look, looking nice, isn't they? Right, while that's finishing this last couple of seconds, I'm going to do the bun. I'm not going to toast the buns or anything. Not today. You can do if you want to. Get myself another board. And we get a bun. we get a burger, the biggest one, which was mine. There we go. That looks quite nice actually, that does. Wedges, don't they look nice now? Oh yes, so we'll get a few of them on. And some coleslaw. Quite nice this coleslaw is, I do like it from Aldi. For the money. There we go. Nice and cheap, budget meal. Obviously more wedges, obviously, but taste test time. So, what do you think? Barbecue sausage and cheese, coleslaw, obviously that was shop bought, and then fries. Looks nice, doesn't it? But it's all in the taste. Let's try one of these fries first. I'm looking forward to these. Got a nice little kick. There's not much flavour though. There's not much flavour at all. Nice spice, but it's missing something. I'm not sure what, maybe a bit of more salt on it maybe. But you got a nice little afterburn there. They're quite nice. I'll probably put a bit more sauce on it next time, I think. We'll leave it to marinate for half hour. But anyway, let's try this burger. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? For a budget meal. Got the juices. That's quite nice. Oh yeah, I like that. Not going to eat it all because I'm having that for my tea. But that's lovely. That's lovely. A few more wedges. I mean, I didn't put enough wedges in, but I've still got more there. I need to make some more. But apart from that, try it. It's quite nice. Hello Fresh, what's it called? Sausage and barbecue sausage burger. That's what it was called or something. I don't know, I'll have to have a look. I can't really taste the barbecue in it, but I don't understand the meaning of that bit. I thought you'd have drizzled it over the top or something, but you said put it in the pan. But never mind, there we go. It's still quite nice. Anyway, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. Gonna go and eat it now.